Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. I'm at NAB 2018 and I'd like to show you a new product in our booth. It's the GO650 Studio. This is an all-in-one system. It has two monitors, 10-inch monitors, that I can have my preview and my program all set up for me. It also has streaming, it has my recorder right here, it has a 4-channel switcher, 2 HDMI, 2 SDI, and a built-in audio mixer. Literally all in one. This folds down and fits into a case. It's also included with this kit. It's perfect for any live event, worship, any education. You need to be on campus, and you just plug your monitor or cameras into this, and this will handle it. Nice thing about these monitors, they also have vector scope built into it, and they cross-convert 2 signals. So HDMI to SDI, SDI to HDMI. So I can really be flexible with this system.